We don't want to hear that it's colder someplace else tonight, but here you go.
Yeah, a few hours ago, temperatures atop Mount Washington were 27 degrees below zero, and it's probably dropped since then, which means the wind chill could hit 100 below. And Eric, that's a heck of a lot colder than it is here, thank goodness.
Just happened to have the latest stats there at 11 o'clock here from the top of the rock pile. 33 below zero now. Not quite to record territory, but I'd say it's probably cold enough. The wind chill is 83 below zero. They'll make a run at that century mark, a wind chill of 100 below. The amazing thing is the dedicated observers up there on top of Mount Washington. There's someone there all the time. They go out every hour, on the hour, all weather, every day to get some of those observations, and they'll be out there all night tonight. So it makes 7 degrees look almost balmy in Boston. The wind chill is 14 below zero right now. The wind still howling outside. That cold wind always makes a lot more noise than a warm wind. It's 1 degree in Worcester, 2 below in Springfield as well as Burlington, and there you see that source of the frigid air coming right down out of southeastern Canada. It's being yanked by our storm system from yesterday. That's just off to the north and east of Maine, pulling that Arctic air down across New England. And because of that big drop in pressure that you heard so much about, now we have that large pressure gradient across the northeast. That's why the winds are so persistent tonight, and they'll continue to be persistent tomorrow. So our actual air temperature is going below zero in many spots overnight this evening, just above zero in southeastern Massachusetts. The winds will be gusting about 35 miles per hour throughout the day tomorrow. We finally get a break late tomorrow night, and then into Sunday, high pressure builds in, and that will relax the winds and give us some relief from what is a pretty nasty stretch of weather. Going for a high of 7 tomorrow across much of the region, kind of an average high, a little milder to the south and east, a little colder north and west, but the wind chill will stay at 10 to 25 below zero. On Sunday, a record cold morning, and then we'll get into the teens during the afternoon, which comparatively might actually feel a little bit better out there. So there's a look at tomorrow's highs. Just 3 in Worcester, 1 in Jaffrey. That's it. 12 in Hyannis and 14 on Nantucket. Gets a little bit better on Sunday in the afternoon, mid, even some upper teens. With a relaxing wind, that's an opportunity to get outdoors. We haven't been above freezing since Christmas Day. It has been 11 straight days now below freezing. We'll add 2 more this weekend, and then the streak should end. So it'll be the 4th longest streak on record with temperatures below the freezing mark. So if you're heading up to the slopes this weekend, we definitely salute you. You got to be pretty brave to be up there, and some ski areas are actually closing down. Some of the higher peaks, the more exposed terrain, because in northern New England, we'll see wind chill around 50 below zero on those mountaintops tomorrow. But as we look towards Sunday, less wind, a better day to be out there. Most spots saw over a foot of snow over the last 24 hours. So the fresh snow is out there. A little bit more light snow possible on Monday, kind of a gray day, but we do see a rebound in temperatures, and that will continue next week. More seasonable conditions, and then by the end of next week, a milder rain system is going to try to move in our direction. So we get a break from the big storm systems. We also get a break from the Arctic cold. Any snow would be very light on Monday into Monday evening. 30s on Tuesday as well as Wednesday, 40s Thursday into Friday, and right now it looks like a mainly rain event for us there. But we'll see how things pan out. Hopefully we keep that mild forecast.